This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by searching. Type paint into the start bar and watch results populate. If nothing appears, open Windows Accessories in all apps to scan the list. Once done, press Win+R and run mspaint. exe to launch Classic Paint directly from the system path. This step proves whether Paint is installed and reachable. If it opens, make sure to pin it to Start or the taskbar for instant access. These first actions get you into the app fast without digging through settings. If Paint fails to appear, you next verify the executable. Open File Explorer and navigate to see /Windows/System32, look for mspaint. exe and double-click to run it. If the file is missing, go to Settings App's Optional Features and scan for Paint or related components. Alternatively, once you confirm the system copy is absent, search the Microsoft Store for Paint or compatible editors and install. These steps locate or restore the program and explain why it might be hidden or removed. Finish by making Paint easy to open. Right-click the running app and pin it to the taskbar or create a desktop shortcut so you never search again. If Paint won't run, open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair missing system files. After that, retry C/Windows/System32/mspaint. exe. As a single troubleshooting tip, if the executable is corrupted or deleted, install Paint or a trusted alternative from the Microsoft Store to restore functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.